Hi, I'm Lori Fangio with Around the Table, and I'm a food blogger and chef instructor. And today I'm in the kitchen showing you how to make a savory crepe with ham and cheese. It's going to be gooey and yummy and delicious. So let's get started. I'm just going to take my already prepared crepe and put it on my crepe pan. Now, if you don't want to make your own crepes, you don't have to. You can buy them at the grocery store. They're usually found in the produce section. Also, if you don't have a crepe pan, you can still make this recipe. Just buy your crepes already made and just do this in any skillet that you have. So I'm just putting I just have my crepe in my crepe pan. I've got it set to medium heat, so it's already starting to warm up. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to layer on some thinly sliced ham. And I like to use Black Forest ham. And I like it to be thinly sliced because when we roll this up, it's quite a bit of meat in there, and you'll see. I'm just going to put one layer of ham, just like that. And then I'm going to go on with cheese. And you can use whatever kind of cheese you like. I like to use Gruyere cheese. It's typically French, and it melts very well. It's a very satiny, silky cheese when it's melted, so that's what I like to use. So once the cheese starts to get a little bit melted, it's time to go ahead and roll the crepe. And so all we're going to do is just take it and fold it in half, and then roll it in half again. And that's all there is to a perfect crepe. And again, I'm Lori Fangio, and we've been in the kitchen today making a savory crepe with ham and cheese, a great weeknight dinner. Take a little time to get your family around the dinner table. You'll be glad you did.